This video is showing how to use the DC resistance testers. First time, you can use the screen to control this tester. You put the tester here and enter what you want to enter. There is the winding temperature and the current temperatures and these temp positions. And when you're done, you can put the start button and the tester will be start to testing. And there is also the data setting. You can save the data for about 1000 data in this tester. And there is also an U disk. You can put an U disk to save this data. And there is a printer. You can put print to print the data. And there is a setting. You can set the backlight here, and you can choose the Bluetooth. Download an app from your Android phone, and you put the scan for this. After the connecting, they have been connected, and you can use your smartphones here to control the testers. Let me show you. Here, yeah.